y'all, I hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to share with you a few items that I purchased from the Furls company. So this is kind of like a little unboxing or whatever. I did get a few items over the past few weeks that I wanted to share with you all. I had an opportunity to work with them over the summer and to create a pattern as a part of their blog hop for 2021, and they sent me some yarn to try when I created the pattern. So I did want to kind of quickly discuss the yarn, because while they're not really known for their yarn, and not from my perspective anyway, they're more known for their hooks, this yarn wasn't so bad. It's a 100% acrylic yarn called Wander. It's got 120 yards per skein, and it's a nice sheen to it. It's a nice softness to it. For it to be acrylic yarn, I really wasn't expecting it to be this soft. So I mean, it wasn't bad. I mean, I don't know. Have you ever used their yarn before? And if you have, what's your experience been with it? I mean, I don't know if I'm being biased or not since they sent me the yarn. I guess if I had to come up with one thing, there was some fraying that I experienced or snagging. It didn't stop the flow of the project, but it can be a little frustrating. But it has beautiful, vibrant colors. I think there's like 24 of them. So if you catch it on sale, it's definitely worth trying, okay? Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is their hooks, the Furl hooks. Now, you guys, if you followed my channel before, you know that I have other Furl hooks, but I picked up for the first time the Furl wooden hook. I have used the resin hooks before, but I've never used the streamlined wood hook. So I was able to pick this one up in ebony, and the wooden line comes in, I want to say, 5 different styles. And when I say styles, I mean colors. They have like a teak color, like a peppermint swirly looking color. So the wooden hooks actually come in different colors options too. So let's kind of do the unboxing, I guess, of the one that I recently picked up. They did have, like I say, a sale. So if you guys are interested at all in getting into the Furl hooks, these are not a new novelty item. They're actually very beautiful hooks, and a lot of people talk about them. But my suggestion would be to go ahead and just sign up for their newsletter. You get their newsletter and they start to let you know when their items are going to go on sale. And I want to say I got these for like either buy one get one half off or 20% off, something like that, guys. So it's worth it to kind of just have that in your little, like your cart, so that when you really want to splurge on yourself, then maybe you want to go ahead and get the newsletter so that you'll know how to kind of get your biggest bang for your buck. Okay, so they do come nicely packaged like this, and I want to show you really quickly that on the box here you can kind of see the different color options. Not all of them are shown here. There's only 3 of them, but you can always go online and check out the other ones. So the other hooks that I currently have with Furls are the Odyssey line, the Odyssey hook line, and when I tell you, I absolutely love these hooks. Now, I don't know if it's because the color of the hooks, the handles, I do like the weight. It is a little bit heavier than the streamlined resin hook and the streamlined wooden hook, but while it feels a little heavier, I think it's just a really balanced hook, so it feels really nice. Okay, so and really quickly before I get off this, I wanted to point this out. The size of the hooks for the Odyssey line is on the bottom, and I am not 100% sure I like that. I really prefer it to be like embedded into the hook some way, and I haven't found it. I've looked all over the hook and I can't find it. So what I did was at the bottom of the hook, when I say embedded, if you look at the wooden hook, you can't really see it. It's that dark color you can't see, but it's right where my thumb is. It's embedded in there, so you know exactly what size hook you're working with. With the Odyssey line, what I did was I put a little super glue at the bottom of the hook, a little nail polish, just to keep that size there. I don't know. I just wish I could find a way to get that embedded into the handle. So let's go ahead and unbox the newest one that I purchased. And look at that, guys. This is so freaking pretty. This, I don't even know if it's showing up on camera as good as it shows up to me. It's like a garnet deep red. It's so pretty. Perfect for any holiday crochet pictures. It almost makes you feel inspired to crochet for the holidays. It is the prettiest hook. I have my eye on this blue one that they just put out. It's called like I don't even know the name of it. It's like a blue, midnight blue, guys. so pretty. So I'm on to something now. I know I said I wasn't going to collect anything else. Actually, I said I wasn't going to collect any more yarn. I never said I wasn't going to collect any more hooks. So I'm on to this now. And again, they run sales so often that while these are a price point, these are a higher price point, I feel like they're worth it. I mean, they're certainly very pretty in pictures. I like to use them. They are ergonomically designed, so they're supposed to really help with the way when you crochet, it kind of helps with the tension in your hand. I really like them. There are some great hooks out there, guys, but I really do like these. Okay, so without further ado, the whole point of me purchasing anything recently from Furls is this right here. The Furls Lucid Fork. I know there needs to be no drum roll and there needs to be no trumpet playing, but I feel like there should be. You know what I'm saying? I have been looking and waiting for this fork to come back in stock for at least 4 or 5 months, at least. Look at this design, guys. It is so pretty. It fits perfectly in my hand. There's actually a place for my thumb. There are little logos on it. Now, I believe at one point this came in multiple colors, but as of right now, I think there's only one, and it did not matter. I wanted whatever they had available. Now, this is a little bit on the pricier side, especially since the one that I have on my channel, I purchased from Amazon at like a nice, easy, you know, it was a lot less expensive, but you get what you pay for. And I knew I wanted this, so I waited till it came in and I purchased it. So that's with anything, I guess, in life. You kind of put the value on what you want to put value on. So the Lucid Fork, they have a lot of other accessories. Now, Furls Crochet has, you know, yarn, they have hooks, they have accessories being like yarn bowls and hook stand. So as I get more things, if I get more things, I'll definitely share those with you. I was looking for this Lucid Fork. The whole point of this video is so I could share with you all that I finally got it because I really wanted it, but I also wanted to tack in some of the other things that I also have. I absolutely love this garnet Odyssey hook. I love the wooden streamline hook that I also got. I'm not a fan of I'm typically not a fan of wooden hooks. They have not served me well, but this one was really nice. It was a nice price point when I purchased it, so I went ahead and added it to my collection. But again, you guys have to decide where your price comfort level is and go from there. This here, I love this swirl. It's a cafe swirl, the resin hook. I love it for pictures. Absolutely love it for pictures. And I have another one in green. That's not my favorite. That's not my most favorite hook for working projects, but this Odyssey hook is. I really do enjoy using these hooks here. So that's why I have them in a few colors, and I plan on getting more, especially that navy blue color one. As soon as I, you know, save up a little bit more coins, I will definitely get it. So anyway, guys, that is it. I just wanted to share with you my little Furl unboxing, not a long video. If you guys have any questions about anything, please let me know. My affiliate link will be in the description box down below. And I think they're having a sale right now. So check that out, get their newsletter, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.